Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Shotgun, welcome back. That's it. And all that good, happy horse shit. It is 8:30 a.m. on a beautiful Saturday morning. 68 degrees, sunny as can be. Katana 2024, that's what's happening today. First, we gotta take old Sawed Off over to Nana's. Okay, goodbye.
And the Republic is destroyed. Despotic than monarchy, more insolent than autocracy, more selfish than bureaucracy. I see in the near future a crisis approaching that unnerves me and causes me to tremble for the safety of my country. Corporations have been enthroned. An era of corruption will follow, and the money power of the country will endeavor to prolong its reign by working upon the prejudices of the people until the wealth is aggregated in a few hands and the Republic is destroyed. Despotic than monarchy, more insolent than autocracy, more selfish than bureaucracy. I see in the near future a crisis approaching that unnerves me and causes me to tremble for the safety of my country. Corporations have been enthroned. An era of corruption will follow, and the money power of the country will endeavor to prolong its reign by working upon the prejudices of the people until the wealth is aggregated in a few hands and the Republic is destroyed.
Damn, is that an eagle out there? Did anybody else hear that?
Yeah, it definitely is. And you'll be able to see the eagle.
Yeah? Where? Oh yeah. Huh. Yeah, I've seen a bunch of bald eagles down here recently.
I saw one on the 4th of July.
Oh, really? Did you shout, America? America! Fuck yeah! Howdy. So this is the part of the video where I'm normally like being like, bye everybody, it was real, blah blah, fist bumping, whatnot. But I'm actually the last one here this time. I was having so much fun I didn't want to leave. Fucking 2024 Katana, man. Might have been one of the most fun races of my FPV career. Yeah. Obviously, you know, I can't ever fly great when it matters. As you saw from my practice video yesterday, you know, I couldn't fly anywhere near as good as that today. But whatever, still had fun, took second in rookie. Actually, I'm leaving a Katana race with hardware for once, as in a trophy. Yeah, and then I just burnt up my last 3 charged packs after everybody left, and once again, well, I mean, not flawless. I have had a couple beers and whatnot, and so, but still way better than I flew all day at the race, but whatever. It was still great. It was still fun. It was awesome. Y'all should do yourself a favor and make it to one of these races, all right? That's it. See you later.